Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be installing this bob wig and giving myself a couple edges. Now today's video is not going to be a step-by-step or tutorial video. If you guys would love to see more wig install videos or more wig review videos, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Anything you need to know about this hair is going to be in the description box down below. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright you guys, so this is just how the wig turned out. I just simply bumped the ends, nothing too crazy, and this is how it turned out. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated. Let me know what you guys think. Leave any comments, feedback, or suggestions in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.